I started this talk by talking about how inefficient and ineffective the courts are in changing the laws, right? And how many years it takes. If you look at the Bruen decision, it was 10 years in the making. Before Bruen, there was a Supreme Court case. New York City was telling its license holders that if you had a premise license, you could only shoot the gun in one of the 7 ranges in New York City, and you couldn't take it to your home out of New York City. You couldn't take it to your home where it was legal out of state, and you couldn't shoot it at a range out of New York City. They fought that for about 10 years through the courts. And then when the Supreme Court took the case, they panicked and they changed the law. But they defended that law for about 10 years. My point is that the courts are an inefficient way of doing this. If you're sick of this, which I am sick of this, if you're sick of these laws, then we have to vote. We just have to vote. We have to change these laws. And by the way, if we had a governor that supported our Second Amendment right, and we had a legislature that supported our Second Amendment rights, then we wouldn't be having these conversations. And then we can go out for a beer instead of having to listen to a lawyer lecture about the law. I'd much rather have the beer.